Hurricane Hanna is, well, it's not a hurricane, I don't think anymore. Tropical Storm Hanna. It's supposed to be coming through later this afternoon and tonight. Yeah, man. Doesn't look like, well, the water line's a little higher up than it usually is. A few drops of rain. I would be up there probably taking this, but they blocked it off, so. Yeah. Now this would be, I mean, if this was September 6th, this would normally be a very sunny day. The beach would be probably packed with people. This is really going to hurt the casinos. This could have happened any other day except a Saturday. Well, I'm going to turn this off because it is raining a little.